Hey everyone, I'm Soumya and once again welcome back to my channel Dash of Delight. Today we are going to make guacamole. Now guacamole has lot many variations, but today we are going to make a little bit spicy version of it. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For guacamole, we need nice and ripe avocado. So this is one of the most important thing to keep in mind for this recipe, guys, that your avocados must be ripe enough because the green or unripe ones will not do the job. So the riper the better. And anyways, if you're not able to get the ripened ones from the store, not a problem. Just buy it as it is, wrap it in aluminium foil, preheat the oven at 200 Fahrenheit or 90 Celsius and throw it in for about 10 minutes and you will get it as required. Now let's move on. So we need to slice them in half and remove the pit. So take a sharp knife and get on to the job. Come round and round like so. Just let me keep a bowl underneath first. Yeah. So basically we need to start from the top and come all the way around like this and slice it open. So we need to just twist it a little like this and open it. Can you see? So just remove this pit with the help of a knife like this. And then start cutting it lengthwise this way. Just remember not to cut through the skin. So there we go. And now guys, just grab a spoon and scoop out all the flesh like this. So just scoop it out well, guys, do not waste any bit of it. There we go. Similarly the other half. And now guys, just take a fork and start mashing it. So mash it well. So basically you can just mash it as creamy or as chunky as you like. So I personally do not prefer the chunky one, so I'll just continue mashing. So this process will take you around 1 minute. Mash it well. If you want to keep it chunky, you can, but I find mushy the better one. So that's it guys, it's mashed well. Now start adding the other ingredients. So here comes finely chopped onion. I've taken just half of the onion. Then add 1 tomato. I have de-seeded it, so remember to de-seed the tomatoes and then add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 green chili. Now give everything a good mix, guys. Keep mixing for at least 1 minute. So guys, there are lot many variations in guacamole. If you want, you can add in some jalapenos or spring onions or anything of that sort. So it's completely up to you. So that's it guys, it's been mixed well. And now time to add in some dry spices. So here comes some smoked paprika powder. So I'm adding this just to give some smoky effect. Now comes some cumin powder. So that's optional guys, if you don't like, do not add. Then comes the black pepper powder. And in the last, here comes our salt. So I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your taste. Now give the spices a slight mix. Just mix once or twice and that's it. And now guys, time to add in some coriander leaves. So just throw in some finely chopped coriander leaves followed by some lemon juice. So add in good quantity of lemon juice and then give it a final mix. So guys, our healthy bowl of superfood spread or dip is absolutely ready. Just a small tip here guys, that please make guacamole right before you are going to serve it. This is because it tends to oxidize very quickly and hence turn brown. So that's it guys, our healthy and delicious spread or dip is absolutely ready. You can just have it with burritos, tacos, nachos or any other chips of your choice guys. It's absolutely yummy. So if you like the recipe friends, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be right back. Bye bye.